Alright. Nope.
Oh good, less than 15 minutes for
Less than 15-minute wait for everything. And here we go. Here's a map of the park. I'm sure that's a little bit inaccurate, but
They close at 5 here. They don't. Alright, so we need to go here, and here, and here.
yeah. There you go, Erica.
Summit Plummet.
I see you got
Are
your
you
feet.
coming?
Yes. No.
He said yes, and I got him on camera, so he has to do it now.
He said no.
Oh, Cody. Cody's coming on Summit Plummet, guys.
Wait.
We're going to the wave pool. So we got a locker rental. It's $15 for a large one, and it fit, what, 1, 2, 3 bags, and
Shoes and everything.
it fit 3 bags, shoes, sunscreen.
It fit enough for 5 people.
The 2 cups, yeah, it fit enough for 5 people. So, plenty of room there. And the bags were drawstring size bags. Lauren's rocking another new suit today. Beautiful, baby, as always. But more importantly, look at those amazing sunglasses she's got on. Babe, where can they get them? Where can they get them? JoshOakham.com. Get yours now. Uh-huh. There's the lazy river, yeah. This way. Oh my goodness, look, babe. Wow. Are you ready? She's so ready. She's been ready since like we woke up at 7 this morning, and at 7:02 she was like, can we go on a water slide now? Oh yeah, here we go. Woo, we're doing that one in a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so fun. Wow. These are real waves.
I told you this wasn't a kid place.
Wait a minute, Adeline's not in here.
Lauren, you can come out here and no fear. It's like the ocean.
Look, a fish. Woo! Whoa! Adeline!
Here comes the jump.
Oh my god, it feels amazing.
Isn't it? All right, Miss Lauren here wants to do the big one. What's it called, baby?
I don't know.
I don't know what it's called either. We're gonna do Summit Plummet.
Arms and ankles crossed in front of you. The lifeguard will give you the all clear, then you can go.
All right, baby, you ready?
Silent slide.
I'm kind of nervous. This is high up.
Oh, and just a reminder, to slide down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, you have to be a before you get to stall. If you're shorter than that, you can try out Teamboat Springs, one of the coolest rides on the slope.
Oh my goodness. Babe, this is kind of high. You're not scared even a little bit? Bye! They're not doing it. Oh my god. Alright. Nope.
I'll go back on. I sit here on all the way up the stairs.
I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! You lost your top. I'm alive. That was actually really fun. I think we should go again. You want to do it again? I'm alive. I'm shaking, but I'm alive. There she comes. Woo! There she is. Good job. You all right? Uh-oh. Woo. Is that fun? Are you happy? I think that's absolutely the one ride she was most looking forward to today. All right, we're doing the family, what is this? Teamboat Springs. Teamboat Springs next. You guys ready? Yeah. Ready?
Oh no, it says party's fewer than 4.
It's 6 up top.
Maximum.
We'll be grouped with other guests. Boom. So we got 6. 6 is the magic number.
You better hurry up. Everybody's got to hold the handle.
All right, we got one.
Yeah, you're sitting on one.
We're going.
Yeah, here we go.
We have more people this time.
We got more weight.
More weight, that's right.
Oh, we definitely got more weight in this thing. Wow!
Peter has a good idea.
Hey, everybody say wow. Everybody say wow on 3. 1, 2. Wow!
Peter has a right idea. I haven't gotten wet once. Oh,
Whoa! Whoa!
I always go backwards.
oh my God.
Right here.
Splish, splash. Everybody gets wet. Everybody gets cooled
We have to go
up.
through the waterfall. Oh.
Yeah, we have to get through the waterfall. Everybody gets cooled up, Peter.
All right.
Woo! Well, that
Wow.
was fun. Are you having fun? Peter, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Guys, this is the longest Peter's been awake this entire trip. Seriously. Seriously.
Nap before dinner.
Yeah. There's been no naps today from Peter. I am honestly shocked. He must be in like hibernation mode right now or something. Oh, he's at Disney. While we are doing some of these bigger slides, the kiddos are over at the kiddie park. They've got the iceberg walls, they've got the splash pools. What else is for the kids, Peter? The zip line, which I don't really think is for the kids. We've seen adults on that, but they're over there enjoying all that. But right now we're heading to, yeah, there's like a little jungle gym, a little splash park. Right now though, we're heading to the Roanoke Rapids? Runoff. I was about to say Roanoke Rapids, that's in North Carolina. How about that? Runoff Rapids. We're heading to the Runoff Rapids. This is the only slide in the park that you have to actually pick up your own tube before you get on the slide. So there's just a little pro tip for you. Woo, you guys ready?
Stand right there.
Woo! Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is fast! Whoa! Whee! Whoa! having an absolutely awesome day here today. Blizzard Beach, Disney's, one of Disney's water parks. Yeah, one of Disney's 2 water parks that they have. You guys gotta come check it out. Tons of fun for the whole family, I feel. I mean, we've got, you know, adults, we've got young adults, we've got a teenager, we've also got little ones, and I think all are having an absolute splendiferous day. So you gotta come check it out here, Disney's Blizzard Beach. We're heading back right now to our locker really quick. Me and Lauren are. The rest of the gang, they took the lazy river, but we just said it'd probably be faster to walk. We've got to change out the GoPro battery. This one's almost dead, so we got to get another one in, a fresh one in there for you. And also want to put some more sunscreen on my shoulders. My shoulders tend to burn really easy, so I want to make sure I keep some sunblock on those. And definitely a tip for you guys is to not forget that sunblock on your visit to Blizzard Beach, because it's hot out here. It's Florida. In the Florida heat, you know, things heat up really quick. The UV rays are strong. They had a board up front that said the UV ray was 10, and 10 is the highest that it goes. So make sure that you don't forget that sunblock so that you don't leave looking like a lobster. So we met up with the Pritchards. Hey y'all. Woo! That's right, guys. We're still here at Blizzard Beach, hanging out all day today. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we are having an awesome day. You don't want to miss a second of it. Right now we're heading down to the lazy river. That's where a bunch of the rest of the gang is at. And so we're heading down there, gonna float around Blizzard Beach, literally around Blizzard Beach. I think this lazy river encompasses the entire park. Yeah. So we're gonna be floating around, should be a ton of fun. I hear Miss Lauren's already been claimed. Huh? You've already been claimed, babe? Yeah. Darn.
Double tube. She's sitting in my lap.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey!
You okay on that, Teresa?
Yeah.
Hey, Adeline!
She's having fun putting her feet in the water. I just
Hey,
Adeline!
Oh, there's Cody. Oh, yeah, Teresa. Get it, babe. Get it. The water is so nice. Hey, Phoebe. Are you having fun? We're floating down the river. Woo! We're in the cave. Kaboom! 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 Oh no! Woo! We made it! No, we don't have to get out.
The Phoebe was special.
You are special.
I know, but
You're very special.
can we
You
go
got a
on that?
special place in my heart.
Can kids go on that one? Or can kids go on that one?
I think so. Oh wait, it's a video. Hold on.
Oh.
Hi Phoebe, what are we doing? We're gonna ride some water slides?
Yeah, we're gonna ride.
Yeah, so we're taking the Pritchards. They haven't gone down the family slide yet.
Yeah,
So we're gonna go down the family slide first.
and we're going up a few steps, and then.
That's right, we're going up the steps. The ski lift. Ski lift has not really been running today much. It'll like run for 5 minutes, and then it's like, oh, please remain seated as ski lift is broken. So, probably a good thing we didn't get on that, because that would suck. We're just like out there dangling. Woo, that was fun. I put my leg over her though, so she wouldn't slide out. So we still haven't found the rest of the gang, but these guys are with us still. We're heading up to the purple slides right now. We think little Miss Phoebe can do those, because she really wants to do some water slides. So yeah, we're hoping that she's gonna be able to do this. You're ready for them, huh, babe?
Yes, I am.
Okay, well, we're hopeful that you're gonna be able to do them. All right, we found the rest of the group. There they are. That we're heading up here at the same time. We're heading up. What are we doing? Which one are we doing, baby? The snowstormer or the toboggan? Which one you want to do, Phoebes? Snowstorm? All right, we're doing the snowstorm. Huh? I think they're doing the double racers or something. Hey Phoebe, don't let go, okay? Do not let go. She'll be fine. She'll be fine. There she goes! Whee! All right. I guess so. On my screen, go, go, go! Woo! Woo! Wow! Whoa! Woo! Baby made it, see? How'd she do? You want to do it again?
Well, I didn't try at all.
Did you like that?
Oh yeah. Now I want to go like.
There's another one you can do over here.
Yeah, do you want to do that one? All right, baby, you ready?
Okay if I do this? I won't let you go, okay? I promise. You got all of my weight behind you.
Ready, babe?
Hands and knees. Hands and knees. Hey, are you recording at the end? Because I can sing better.
Yes!
Hey! I love it! I love it, love it, love it. What song do you want? We're waiting and I have time.
Let it go!
Let it go! Let it go! Don't let your back on though, that'll be bad. Don't let it go. That's my song up here. Do not let the net go. Ends in bad things and sad things. It's very lonely and painful to watch. You know, we all have to wave and be like, bye! Wham! Flat my thumbs all the way into the body, hands on that mat, hands on the handles, elbows sucked all the way in. You're not Superman, you're not a chicken, don't do it. My thumbs, hands on the handles, your feet work better than your hands anyway, I promise. On your marks, get set, go! Woo! Walk to the exit and to your right.
We did it! Ooh, I think we're gonna do this one next. Babe, you know what this one's called? I don't either. Oh, Double Dipper, yes. We're gonna do the Double Dipper next. Cody's coming with us. Whoop, whoop! We're in the downhill double dipper. We got less than 1 hour to go. Squeezing in those last minute slides. Y'all ready? Cody, you ready? Nope. She's waiting on us, huh? Oh, here we go. Yeah, man, I did it. You went down backwards? Ooh, I should have sent you with a GoPro. Here comes Cody. Here comes Cody, Teresa. There he is. Woo! There he went. There he went. Hey! So I think our last, whoo, just came upstairs, I'm tired. I think our last ride is gonna be Slush Gusher right here. Slush Gusher. It's gonna be our final one. Okay, so we'll do Slush Gusher and Summit Plummet one more time, yeah?
If we have time.
If we have time, yeah. Depending on how long, I don't think this line is too long. Depending on how long the line is, we should have time. All right, baby. Woo! you want to do Summit Plummet one more time? No? Want to be done? You had a great day today, babe? Had fun? Should people come to Blizzard Beach? Yes. Is it a family day? Yes, totally. All right, let's meet up with everybody else. Hey guys, did you have a good day today? Everybody have a good day? Everybody have a good day? Lauren, did you have a good day? Teresa, did you have a good day? Phoebe, did you have fun today? Oh, Phoebe, it was an oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
They love the slides. That's
Oh yeah. You like the slides? That was your favorite part? Honey, what was your favorite part?
Summit Plummet.
Summit Plummet. I do have to say Summit Plummet was probably my favorite part.
There's nothing like it.
Yeah, it was really, really fun. Hey Cody, what was your favorite part?
Watching Phoebe go down the big slides.
That was pretty cool.
After the first time when I almost cried.
Yeah, the first time he was like in a panic attack. He was not having it, but after that, it was pretty cool to see her do that. Yeah. Mama, what about you? What was your favorite part?
The lazy river.
Lazy River. Yeah, they rode that Lazy River for a long time. We were gonna meet up in the Lazy River, but it just didn't happen. So we are leaving Blizzard Beach. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. What's it been, Phoebe? It's been
real and fun.
real and fun. Real and fun. We're heading back to the hotel to get changed. Next time,
Got the wrong person.
get to Disney Springs. Get a meatball sub. Do I know you from somewhere? There goes those guys. We can't. Get a wee bit. Just a wee bit. That's it. That's it.